Isang mapagpalang araw po muli sa ating lahat. So welcome back to our 365 daily devotions. So pagpasensyahan niyo na po kung ganito ulit ang boses ko. Kasi inuubo na naman ako. So ngayong araw is August 26 and today is Monday. So kakagaling lang din namin ng day group. And ayun nga, since today is Monday, magkakaroon tayo ng panibagong series which is this is about family. So the 7 marks of a happy family. Excuse me. So our topic for today will be godly culture, love, respect, and obedience. So in connection to our topic for today, ang Bible verse natin tatalakayin ay Ephesians chapter 5 verse 33 hanggang chapter 6 verse 2. So in New International Version, however, each one of you also must love his wife as he loves himself, and the wife must respect her husband. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with the promise. In Philippine translation naman rin ang Biblia 2001 version, gayon man, dapat ibigin ng bawat isa sa inyo ang kanyang sariling asawa, gaya ng kanyang sarili, at igalang ng babae ang kanyang asawa. Mga anak, sundin ninyo ang inyong mga magulang sa Panginoon, sapagkat ito matulog. Igalang mo ang iyong ama at ina. Ito ang unang utos na ipangako. Page points out that love, respect, and obedience dapat umiikot ito sa family. So ito dapat yung nagiging foundation and bumubuo sa pamilya natin. That if our family is God-centered, then the love, respect, and obedience should be there. Hindi lang para sa magulang, kundi dapat it comes both ways. So nagmamahal, pero may respeto, sumusunod ang mga anak sa magulang, but the love and respect should also be there in the parents for their children, diba? So, ayun yung tama when your family is God-centered. So, umiikot, hindi lang pili, diba? Walang favoritism, and wala yung dapat kung sino lang yung matanda, siya lang yung nire-respeto. Mas mapalawak itong talakayan natin, especially sa ating teaching. So, i-recite ko na lang siya kasi nawawala-wala talaga yung boses ko. Number 1, God is the designer of a godly family. Number 2, parents are the stewards of a godly family. And number 3, children are the heirs of a godly family. So, for the application part, parents, love and respect your spouse. Children, obey and honor your parents. And number 3, all members forgive and be gracious. So, for our discussion part, ito naman yung mga dapat natin itanong sa ating sarili. On a scale of 1 to 10, how godly is your family? Culture in terms of love, respect, and obedience. Number 2, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Number 3, what is God telling you in order to form a godly family? So, ito lamang yung laman ng ating devotion for today, and I hope na may natutunan tayo. So, may God bless us.